Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Cintya Maesi from majoring of Fashion Design at State University of Padang. Today I wanna tell you about my professional English class about is tunic. Tunic or tunica is a square, sleeved or sleeveless suit that is fastened to the body using a belt, strap, or block. In ancient Romance, tunics were usually made of wool, which was woven and then wrapped around the body as a basic garment. Whereas in ancient Rome, most of the tunic suit were dangling only at the knee, it was different from the in ancient Greece, which hung down to the feet. The names are different, namely Peplus and Seton. Launching the University of Colorado Boulder Peak, the Peplus is a long tunic suit that appeared at the beginning of the archaic period in ancient Greece. Around the 8th century, over time, wool beside Peplus has changed to chain tones with silk and linen fiber, which are considered lighter. Okay, that's all my video this time. Thank you for watching and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.